It's told in the problem alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 theta, right? So I can write here cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta minus beta. I'll write like this, plus cos theta plus cos of theta minus gamma. Is it okay? Cos of theta minus gamma. I'll write this answer can be written like this. Now I can write this is nothing but the reverse transformation formula for cos A plus cos B. What is the reverse transformation formula for cos A plus cos B? We can write this as 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into cos of A minus B divided by 2 into cos of A minus B divided by 2. So this answer will be 2 cos of A plus B divided by 2. So this is nothing but minus alpha minus beta divided by 2 into cos of A minus B divided by 2. A minus B divided by 2 will be A minus B divided by 2, can be written as beta minus alpha divided by 2. Okay, plus 2 cos of A plus B divided by 2. A plus B divided by 2, 2 theta minus gamma divided by 2 into cos of gamma divided by 2, right? So we can write here, this part can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 theta, right? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to 2 theta. So I can say alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 theta minus gamma. Alpha plus beta is nothing but 2 theta minus gamma. So I can say here 2 cos of 2 theta minus of alpha plus beta divided by 2 into cos of beta minus alpha divided by 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta minus gamma divided by 2 into cos of gamma divided by 2. So what do we get now? Here alpha plus beta is nothing but 2 theta minus gamma. This 2 theta minus gamma, if I do, you are left with 2 cos gamma by 2, correct or not? 2 cos gamma by 2. This is from here. Is it okay? So into cos of beta minus alpha divided by 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta minus gamma divided by 2 into cos of gamma divided by 2. So what we can take out common here is 2 cos gamma divided by 2. We can take out common. What remains inside the bracket here is cos of beta minus alpha divided by 2. So now we can say 2 theta can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma, or 2 theta minus gamma can be written as plus cos of 2 theta minus gamma. 2 theta minus gamma can be written as alpha plus beta divided by 2. Okay, alpha plus beta divided by 2. So now we can say here cos of minus theta, that is nothing but cos theta only, right? So I can say cos of beta minus gamma divided by 2 is as good as writing cos of beta minus alpha divided by 2. Can be written as cos of alpha minus beta divided by 2 also. One and the same it is. So we can write here, this is nothing but, this is equal to 2 cos gamma divided by 2. 2 cos gamma divided by 2 into cos of alpha plus beta by 2, cos of alpha plus beta divided by 2 plus cos of alpha minus beta divided by 2. So again apply the same formula, cos A plus cos B, that is nothing but 2 cos gamma divided by 2 into here 2 cos A plus B, that is alpha plus alpha 2 alpha divided by 2. So I can say here A is alpha by 2 plus alpha by 2, 2 alpha by 2, alpha. 2 alpha by 2 is nothing but alpha divided by 2, into cos of beta divided by 2. So your answer to the question here will be what? The answer to the question, I will write it here. The answer to the question will be 4 cos alpha by 2 into cos beta divided by 2 into cos of gamma divided by 2. This will be the answer to the question. Important question again.